Don't go breaking my heart. I couldn't if I tried. Don't go breaking my heart.
Couldn't if I tried.
So here we have a smart parrot toy for kids 3 and up, and what's very unique about this toy is that it's a parrot. Also, it has voice activation, touch activation, and also music that comes with it. It's very smart, so it tells you a lot of things and stuff, perhaps like to repeat and stuff like that. So in the manual, it tells you how to use it, how to plug it in, where the plugation is. So right now it's off, and it has 3 switches. It has a talk motion, also a voice activation. So and it repeats itself. That is so cool. And it just hears everything and it repeats itself.
That is so cool. And it just hears everything and it repeats itself.
That is so cool for little kids.
That is so cool for little kids.
I press the music one. This is perfect for little kids learning the lullabies because a parrot key can actually finish their songs. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How I wonder how you are.
This is perfect for as a gift or even have it in your office just to mess around with other people. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.